In 66 million years ago, a dangerous and giant animal lived. The Earth was experiencing the last days of the Mesozoic and specifically the end of the Cretaceous period. At that time, titanic animals were widespread throughout the world, and everywhere you looked, you could see a giant, see it on land. Huge theropods ruled the time. The waters, huge mosasaurs dominate the sky, but even the heavens belong to the giants in this prehistoric era of ours, because the Cretaceous were the most infamous family of thrashers the world has ever seen. This is a group of tracers. Their very long necks and legs were defined, and in large measure, and from all the members who came and went. The most famous and most feared of them was Quetzalcoatlus, the great parasaur that ruled the skies of North America, and many consider it the largest animal. But in fact, there was another dark member who not only lived at the exact same time. The cuttlefish, however, was probably larger in size, perhaps making it the largest animal that has flown so far. The bones were so big that the remains must belong to a new type of theropod. But soon, based on the structure and shape of the bones, they realized that it was actually a monstrous tracer. Although, despite its impressive size, this tracer was not noticed for a long time after its discovery, and until the end it was nicknamed the winged monster of the Hatak Basin. The Cretaceous or Gelsephid period is the third period of the Mesozoic era, after the Triassic and Jurassic, which was 145.5 to 66 million years ago. And actually lasted 79 million years, and in this sense, it is the longest period in the Mesozoic. The name of this era was first taken in 1822 AD by Amalius Dalva to the carbonate sediments of white clay in the south of England. The Cretaceous period is divided into two periods, early Cretaceous and late Cretaceous. During the Cretaceous period, the climate was warm and moderate, and flowering plants and secretory plants were scattered on the surface of the earth. Invertebrates such as ammonite hornets and belemnite snails also existed in this era. Theropoda, scientific name, Theropoda, are a clade of dinosaurs that started from reptiles in South America more than 230 million years ago, and then found in other continents. All bipedal dinosaurs walked on two legs, and their bones were hollow to reduce body weight. Most types of carnivorous arthropods, however, during the evolution of this group, several families of them changed their diet to vegetarianism and omnivory. The flowering period of dead pine begins from the future of the Triassic period. Mosasaurus is one of the closest animals to the ancestors of today's snakes and reptiles. The mosasaur is one of the largest marine reptiles in history, and its largest species, the Mosasaur hoffmanni, with a maximum length of 17 meters, is considered one of the largest predators in the history of the Earth. In the next program, we will talk about the biggest and heaviest animal called Quetzalcoatlus.